Good evening or good morning and good afternoon sa inyo. Today program po ulit. Pakita ko lang po yung aking Springfield 1911 45 ECV na aking pong minodify. Nilagyan ko po siya ng optic. Ayan po. At plus light and with the laser po siya. So kailangan ko pa rin maghanap ng holster na fit dito para pagka meron akong target shooting nakasukbit na lang. Okay guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe, share and like. Thank you. Bye.